Today we're making savory loaf, cheese savory loaf. Very simple ingredients needed. Let's start. 280 grams of flour, plain flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Let's put straight into half of teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix well. Put on the side. For wet ingredients, we will need 1 cup of milk, 30 grams or 30 mils of oil. I'm using sunflower oil. 2 eggs. This is for wet ingredients. Put on the side. For the filling, I will need 130 grams of grated cheese, cheese to your choice. Feta can be used as well. I will use 1 jalapeno, 1 large clove of garlic, and dill. And half of bell pepper, red pepper. Red pepper will go quite well. Green pepper can do as well. Let's prepare filling first, and after we will combine all ingredients. We'll chop peppers in cubes. Cubes can be also your choice. And I will put together with the cheese. Also, in the savory loaf can be used bacon or ham or shredded chicken, cooked chicken. Jalapeno. I will remove seeds. Jalapeno will give nice flavor. I already preheated my oven to 200 degrees Celsius. We'll press garlic with the dill together. Alright, let's start with the mixture. We will do everything by hand. Don't need extra gadgets. 2 eggs, all ingredients must be room temperature. Oil, garlic and dill, milk, flour. I will add half of amount of flour, for now. Our filling, and rest of the flour. And our mixture is ready. I'm using loaf pan. I line my loaf pan with the baking paper. Oven already preheated to 200 degrees Celsius. Loaf going in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I will bring temperature down to 170 degrees Celsius for approximately 25-30 minutes. Additional 25-30 minutes. Loaf ready. My skewer is clean. Loaf is ready. I will leave loaf in a tin for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I will remove from tin. And I will give the loaf cool down. Smells so beautiful. Smell of bell pepper, smell slight, very thin, smell of jalapeno, and of course smell of melted cheese. Beautiful. Time to try our cheese loaf. Oh, beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Nice and soft, cheesy. Divine. Highly recommend. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to put like.